fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting video. As you can see on the screen, I will be talking while you guys get to see all of the amazing things that people finished for my first event that I hosted, which was DP for Pets. So a little background on the event. It ran from June 1st to June 30th. It was a new start, had to be at least 30 by 30, and something along the pet theme. And of course, you had to have it finished by midnight on June 30th. Entry and exit forms filled out. I have taken everyone who completed the painting and filled out the entry and exit forms and put them in my little decision wheel as usual, so that we can have a drawing. But I wanted to do this little montage video so that you guys could see how amazing everybody did. I myself was able to finish 2 canvases, so you'll see those at the beginning and the end. And then I had, I think, a couple of other people who completed 2 canvases. Even if you completed 2 canvases, that only gets you 1 entry in the drawing. But yeah, super excited at how great everybody was, the response to it. I was really nervous to first my host event, wasn't sure how things would go, and I'm really happy that things worked out the way that they did. So yeah, I just wanted again to have this kind of little montage video so that you could see all the amazing things that everyone did. Not only did I get to meet a bunch of new people through this event, I also got to see some really amazing work in the diamond painting community. Some people, you know, did not, what's the word I'm looking for? Not sentimental canvases, you know. A lot of us, like me, just picked out canvases that fit in the pet theme, but there were several people who actually did custom canvases that they had done of their own actual pets. So that was really amazing to see, and just to kind of get a glimpse into everybody's life, you know. So that was fun. Again, I want to just say a huge thank you to both Robin and Robert, who sent me all kinds of fun things that I was able to include in the various weekly giveaways. That they are the 2 that made that possible. So a big thank you to them for doing that. This event has been a lot of fun. I learned a lot of things that I'm hoping to carry over into my next event, which will be the DP for Vets that I am hosting in November. So make sure that you mark that on your calendar. And yeah, just enjoy looking at all of the pretty things. I am going to have the drawing, never fear, for the final prize package. So just give a little rundown of all of the things that are in the prize package. There is a Diamond Art Club kit. It is Maine Coon and Cupcake. It's by the same artist that did the 2 canvases that I actually finished for the event, my Bubblegum Spaniel and my Hedgehog. And I actually think someone completed this particular canvas for the event too. I have a pen. I have some washi tape. I have various stickers. There are is a what's the word I'm looking for? One of those wax placer, wax picker nail art pens, some release papers, some storage, a large tray, some cover minders, some AB drills, and yeah, you guys, I just am so super grateful to everyone who participated in this and you know, made hosting my first event such a pleasure. So yeah, so let's see, what else do I need to mention here? I think you guys, again, just a huge thank you to everyone who participated. And I'm going to just be quiet for a few minutes, I think, and let you enjoy the rest of the slideshow. And then I will be back at the end to have the drawing. Okay, guys, so let's have the drawing. As I said, I have entered everyone who met all the requirements into my little decision wheel. So I've got my little app here with everyone's names for the final prize giveaway. And good luck to everyone. Here we go. And the winner is Brenda. I don't know how to say your last name. I'm not going to murder it. So Brenda, you are the final prize winner. Congratulations. So Brenda, again, congratulations. Look below for my email so that you can contact me and give me your mailing information so that I can get your prize package sent to you. So congratulations to Brenda. Again, thank you, huge thank you to everyone who participated. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thanks so much for making this such a great experience, and I hope to see you at DP for Vets in November. As always, guys, before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.